Hello, my name is Ellen Jin. I'm from TLF Accounting 2. I made this video according to my Twitter video. To improve your listening in a foreign language, I will recommend that you practice listening to the target language at least 1 hour per day, and this is possible for most people. Even very basic people listen to something while you drive, while you're on the bus, while you're walking, while you're exercising, while you're on your lunch break, while you're cooking, or while you're taking a shower. Anytime that you are not talking to other people, listen to the language. Even if you are not focusing on the language, you will hear the same sound, the same words, and the same patterns again and again and again, and each day you will become a little bit more comfortable with the language. When you do this type of listening, remember that you don't need to understand every word or every sentence. Your goal is just to hear the sounds and hear the words again and again and again, so that you start to become more comfortable with them. Even if you don't understand all of them, however, is also a good idea to carry a very small notebook everywhere that you go, so that if you do hear something that interests you can write it down. But what so you listen the podcast, the news, music, TV show, my videos, whatever you want, just make sure that this is in the target language, and this is actually something that you will enjoy listening to. So that's my main idea for most people. Try to listening at least 1 hour per day, and don't worry too much about how much you understand or don't understand. However, if you do have time to really focus on listening, here are a few other things that I recommend that when you watch the video like this one on social media, try to write down everything that you hear. If you can spill something that you hear in the video, don't worry about it is too much. Just try your best. Right is the way that you think that's spelled, and then you can try to search for it on the internet or in a dictionary. This is a really great way to improve your listening, because one is forces you to focus on listening, to learn lots of new words and new sectors as you write everything down, and 3, when you finish, you have a worksheet of notes that you can see for review in the future. Another thing that I recommended is casting a TV series that genuinely interests you, something that you think you're really going to enjoy watching, and watch the whole series without caption. You will be surprised at how much you can actually understand even without the caption. It is a lot easier to understand that the characters are talking about after you have already watched several episodes and you really understand what's happening in the story. And again, don't worry about understanding every single word. That's not really the point. The point is just to spend time with the language going into your ears and into your brain. You'll also become a lot more confident as you realize how much you can actually understand even when you don't understand every single word. If you are the bringer, you can start with material that has been designed for language learners, in terms of material that has been designed for native speakers. However, you should start trying to listening to natural speech as soon as possible from intermediate English learners. My video can be a very good source of information. However, they are not the best video for listening practice. If you are at an intermediate level, most of your listening practice should be listening to the TV, radio, podcast, as not an English teacher because author and intermediate learner can learn a lot from my videos. My speech is very clear and the language I use is very simple. It is not challenging enough for an intermediate learning to really improve their listening skills, but for a beginner, my videos are a great way to start getting comfortable listening to English. And the final thing that I want to say is I know that many people love to see the word and the screen. They love to have caption, and I'm going to warn you that caption are dangerous because when the word are not the screen, you are always going to read them, and when you're focused on reading them, you're not focusing on listening. If your goal with watching TV is just to have fun with the language and learn a few new words, then yet go ahead and use caption, that's fine. But if your goal is actually to improve your listening, I highly recommend it. Then when you watch videos, watch them without the caption. Thank you for watching, and please let me know if you have another question about this topic. Thank you.